This quick guide shows how to replace adhesive strips on a 27-inch iMac Intel from 2012 to 2019. First, power down and unplug the iMac. Lay it flat on a soft towel. Use a suction handle and thin opening picks to lift the glass gently along the top edge. Flip the glass up and rest it, avoid stressing the display cables. Peel back the old adhesive strips slowly, pulling evenly and keeping the foam intact. If adhesive resists, apply isopropyl alcohol sparingly and let it soak briefly. Clean both mating surfaces with lint-free cloth and 90% alcohol until residue is gone. Align the new adhesive strips starting at the corners. Press firmly to seat them. Remove protective liners, then position the glass and lower it straight down for an even seal. Apply uniform pressure across the display with a flat pad for 60 seconds. Check edges for gaps, trim excess or reapply strips if any lifting appears. Final check, power on, test display, and admire the restored seamless look. Safety, wear ESD wrist strap.